my good friend Dr. Mo, thank you very much. My president, and I'm not going to mix any words. I am here standing as one of the Obedients from the EU. Here with me is a lady, another Obedient from the EU, Ms. Birgit. I will not take your time. I'm called the Obedient General because I decided to go into the north. My name is Ikenna Azomchine. Dr. Mo bakachuchemba kacheba kakara gama nyambura ya mandu ubunka dajika. Naji magaranshi. Sorry, I will bore some people because I want to speak the language I'm comfortable in. Mumpara ya wondung dege European Union, zua Jos, zua Yola, zua Jigawa, zua Katina, zua enane bamujeba. Tony Anyamurini. So what is the Nigeria you are talking about? Today, I told the North that I'm going to find out if P2B is loved. And I did it with passion. I can tell you today that I was in the remotest part of Borno State where they told me, I was looking at them. But then the army was behind my car. What are you doing here? Why are you here? This is in Borno State. I say, well, I'm here to pass the message to these people that Muna so a change Nigeria. Akwe wani mutum Peter Obi. We ya munji labarinshi. To munji mutum nkrikine. I was looking at them inside Baga, and then you come and tell me that His Excellency is not our president. Ladies and gentlemen, I have come here today to call him my president, and I welcome you, my president.